Hi guys, welcome to Valeo Fit, and I'm your coach, Amanda Russell, where I'm going to be showing you how to do an excellent medicine ball workout. These balls you can buy on our site, and they come in various different weights. I recommend getting a bunch of different weights and trying out all of them, because different exercises you're going to use different weights for, and I feel like half the time people just do the same exercises or don't know what to do with them. There's so much you can do with them. And so just looking at started, just, let's just start warming up the body. I just sort of side to side, hitting the oblique. Some people use this as an actual oblique exercise, right? So just starting off, getting the body nice and warm, and beautiful. And then take this second to just set your intention for why you started the workout today, what you want to achieve. Half the battle sometimes is just getting started, right? All right, so we're gonna start by just holding the ball and squat down and up, down and up. So each exercise, we're gonna do for 8 to 10 reps, squat down and up. And if you wanna do more rounds, you can repeat, or sometimes I prefer to mix it in with another workout video or another routine. So sit back like you're sitting back in the chair, and up, squeeze that booty at the top. Beautiful job. One more, let's do it. And then at the top, we're gonna go into presses. So press up and down. Press up and down. Great for the shoulders. Shoulderless, strapless dress season. Isn't it always that season if you go to the gym now? It seems to be all year round now. Women's fashion is lose the sleeves. Beautiful. Let's do 3 and 2 and 1. And now we're gonna go all the way down to have that ball touch the ground and then come up. All the way down and reach it high to the sky. Beautiful. Use that momentum. Awesome. Think about why are you here? Why did you do this? What could you possibly want to achieve? And keep that goal at the front of your mind. Works for a lot of other things in life too. 3 and 2 and 1. Awesome job. All right, next exercise, legs a little wider even. And you're gonna take that ball and we're going to bend, almost lateral lunge here. The ball comes down to the opposite foot, and then you're gonna reach and twist to the ceiling, ball to ceiling, and come back down. So reach and twist, so lateral lunge, and reach and twist. Beautiful. Nice little oblique twist here. We got this. Here's 3 and 2 and 1. And nice job. Now we're gonna take that over to the other side. What we do on one side, must do on the other. Or what goes up must come down, right? We don't want one butt cheek, I always say, going up and the other one coming down. You want everything nice and as symmetrical as we can, but also just for strength and preventing from injuries and chronic pain. Really important to strengthen both sides, because we always tend to be dominant on one side of everything that we do. We're human. 3 and 2 and 1. Nice job. Now we're gonna come down for this fun one, figure 8. My nieces actually love this one. So take the ball between the legs and like a basketball drill. Basketball players do this, right? In and out, to weave that ball in and out through the legs. This is where the heavier the ball, definitely the harder, much harder does it get. Let's do 3 more, and 2 more, and 1 more, and then try to switch sides. Just a little, there goes our balance challenge, right? Hand-eye coordination. It's been a while. I gotta do this one more often. That's it. Here's 3 and 2 and 1, and nice job. Last exercise. Let's get onto our backs and ball overhead, all the way up overhead, And you're going to all the way up, ball to the ceiling. So ball comes down overhead, and then you reach it up to the ceiling. Nice. Beautiful. We're almost there. This is it, the last exercise in the sequence. And again, I always say either do 3 to 4 rounds if this is the workout you're doing today. Otherwise, if you're adding it to something, then just do 1 round. And if you're short on time, hey, 1 is better than nothing. There you have it, guys. So this is your medicine ball routine, one routine that you can do with these awesome medicine balls. You can get them, as I said, I recommend trying out different weights for different exercises and having some fun with it. So get them on valeofit.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we'll see you back here next time for more great workouts.